What's going on? So installing laminate flooring is a relatively straightforward process that can be done with basic tools and minimal experience. Now you're going to begin by preparing the subfloor, ensuring it's clean, dry, and level. So if necessary, use a leveling compound to address any uneven areas. Once the subfloor is ready, lay down a moisture barrier or underlayment to help with sound reduction and installation. Okay, so next you're going to plan your layout by measuring the room and determining the direction in which the plank will run. It's often best to install them parallel to the longest wall or to the main light source. Start along one wall, leaving a small gap, usually about a 1/4 inch between the planks and the wall to allow for expansion. All right, now laminate planks are typically designed to click together without glue, making installation easier. So you're going to begin by placing the first plank at the wall, align it correctly, and as you continue, you connect the edges of the plank by aligning one edge to the previous one in a row, and then you lower it into place. All right, so use a tapping block to ensure a snug fit and avoid damaging the edges. So once you've confirmed that the entire floor is covered, trim any excess plank at the far wall to fit. And you're going to finally install baseboards or round moldings around the edges to conceal the expansion gap.